Hi, this is Celeste from Creatrix Realm, and we're going to continue from our first part. We have already set up our iPhoto images and done some cleanup on the images, and now we're going to upload them into our Adobe Business Catalyst. So here is our main page. As I mentioned before, the website we're trying to duplicate, this is the page we're going to put the photos on. Right now it's using this photo gallery under Summer Camp Theater. So let's go ahead and set up a new photo gallery, and I actually might have already done that, but I'll just walk you through. So go into Modules, Photo Gallery. Looks like I did. And I'm just going to label this as 2011 because you might want to add more photos to different years. All right, so we'll save that. As you can see, there's no link right now to where the photos will be at. We're going to change that right now also. So let's save. So we're going to have to upload these photos. So go to your File Manager. Sometimes Business Catalyst can be a little slow. So Assets is where the images are going to be, under Images. And we need to create a Alina Latina Storytelling folder. So we'll do new folder. I'm just going to do the abbreviation ALS. Actually, let me just write a little. Storyteller. Might be good for Alina to see. Okay. Oops. And sorry, Alina, I misspelled your name. I'll have to change that later. All right, so we're going to click on this. I'm going to do a new folder, photos and videos. Save. And I'm going to do a 2011 photo folder. Okay, and click on this. And then we're going to upload our files into this folder right here. I'll close out some programs, maybe this will go a little faster. Might need that one, might need that. Close this one. There we go. Okay, upload files. So it's linked right to the one we want, Alina Latina Storyteller 2011. It's in our Assets folder in Images, which is what all the images on the website are located. So let's start selecting them. It's on the desktop. There's new images. I'm going to choose that. Choose the second one. And the third. And the fourth. And the fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Looks like I missed one. And the last one. All right, we'll click Upload. Sometimes in Business Catalyst, you may click a button and it may not seem like it's doing anything, but it's actually processing. So if you feel like it's going slow, just make sure you close out as many applications as you can. Let me quit this one. Maybe quit out of Photoshop. It's a big memory hog. There we go. Okay, it's uploading. I'm going to give you the time. You also have the ability to upload using a FTP, so I'll discuss that in another video for people who are a little more comfortable with that. It does load faster, but you have to be really careful on where you place things. So as I mentioned, the photos that are being uploaded, they're a little bit larger in dimensions, so we're going to have to resize them in File Manager. That's the only place where you can resize them, as you see right here. Eventually there'll be a list of the files that'll have the size. So as you can see here, this one's 3,000, so that's very large. So let's click on that. We'll resize. Make sure that constraint proportion is always chosen. Let's just do, we said 1,000, let's do 950, let's stick to 950. I said the width anywhere from 1,000 to 900 is good. So we'll save that. And once we get these the right size, then it will actually load faster. As you can see here, this is the old one and this is the new one. And there's a huge difference in the kilobytes, which will make your website easier to navigate. So let's just go ahead and delete that one because we don't want to use up too much memory. So hit delete. Okay. Now for the next ones, we can resize them and just tell them to override it, the Business Catalyst website. So click on this one, do resize. It's already set to the same dimensions. We'll click overwrite file so we don't have to delete the old one. There we go. We'll resize, 950, click overwrite. So we'll go through and just do this for every image. But I'm just going to do the first few ones so I can jump to the next thing, which would be linking this to the pages. So we have the first four are 950. So we're good with that. We can come back and change the rest of these later. So we're going to go back to the photo gallery and make sure that it's linked to this folder. So under modules, photo gallery. Now you only have to do this if the photo gallery is not linked yet. Some of the photo galleries will already be linked up, but it's just good information to know. So we have assets image, Alina Latina storyteller, and 2011. So I'll save that. Now in photo gallery, you can put descriptions in here. Well, due to YouTube's time constraints, I want to keep this under 15 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and go clean up the other images the same way I did and resize them to 950, and then we'll just do a part 3 of adding descriptions